Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today I am with one more certificate opportunity and this is from Microsoft. And this is provided by Government of India with the initiative of eSkill India. And you can see this is provided by Microsoft Corporation India Private Limited, which headquartered in Hyderabad, India. You can learn more about Microsoft Learn on the screen. Also, there is a link in the description. You go through it, you find all the details about this certificate courses. You can see there are many certificate courses which is freely provided by Microsoft on this portal. You can see there are many courses just like consume data with Power BI and then many more courses which is from Microsoft, mainly related to the Microsoft services which Microsoft provides just like Azure cloud computing and many other courses, 365 Dynamics, AI and many other courses you can see on your screen. Also course of data analytics, data science is there. This is a course of Microsoft Distributed Programming. You can see on your screen about the course, there is a course description, and here you got this course for free, and also it takes 1.57 hours, almost 2 hours, and also the availability of course is full time, but certificate is not available here. Some courses have a certificate, but some courses also doesn't have a certificate. This course doesn't have certificate, but doesn't worry, I'm going to show you there are many courses which have a free certificate included in it. Now I'm going to show you the next page, and here I got a course of Get Started with Microsoft Data Analytics, and this course have a certificate. I'm going to show you. Firstly, there is a description, course description. You can see total course duration is 1 hour and 10 minutes. This is a very short course where you get to learn about Microsoft Data Analytics, and here it is totally free and also full-time course and certification availability, that is certification available for this course. So now I am going to enrolling for this platform. Firstly, you need to sign up on this platform of eSkill India. I already have a video on this, and also now I'm going to show you the sign up process once again. For a new user, you need to sign up with these credentials: your name, mobile number, mail ID, gender, year of birth, state, password. You need to confirm password, and after that you need to just accept the terms and conditions. Here you can see I fill up all the boxes. Also you need to verify your email ID and your mobile number, and after that you just tap on confirm, and after that you got this disclaimer, just accept it, and after that you can access all the courses which is available on this platform by just signing in. After signing in, you can see there are many courses which are showing on our dashboard. There are top rated courses are here. You can see the courses are from different platforms, different universities, and also from the government of India. You can see all the courses here, and here the course which I show in initial, that is Get Started with Microsoft Data Analytics, is here. Now I am going to enroll in this course and start learning. There is an option of start. Firstly, take a quick look on the course overview. You can see all the course elements on your screen. This course is divided into two parts, and all the contents you see on your screen. Now I am going to start this course. By tapping on start, firstly you need to sign in your Microsoft ML account, because this is a learning platform. It direct the eSkill India platform redirect you on the Microsoft Learn platform, and where you firstly need to sign in, what name you want to display on the Microsoft Learn platform you can choose here, and after that your email ID, country and region. You can choose your country, and after that just tap on next. You need to choose your job profession and also in which area, in which sector you are in the job. So I choose I am not in a job, I am a student, so I choose a student. And what is your level of study, beginner, intermediate or advanced. And after that you need to choose your field of interest. the technology which you want to learn on the Microsoft platform. You can see here there are many things which is provided, the services provided by Microsoft which is listed here. You can choose as many as you want, and after that you can start your learning on this platform. You can see the course which I show in the initial. Course progress is denoted by your badges and also some points. That's much in this video.